Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I am going to replace my OEM driver seat to a legacy seat on this 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13. Stay tuned. So if you're wondering why I'm replacing my driver seat on this Kenworth, if you can see, the seat has seen better days. As you can see right here, it's torn, and that's just a microfiber towel. And you can look right here, it's torn, plus these don't really work. And I finally found a good price for a legacy seat, and it is that it's on the bed right now, and I had to take it out the box to get it in the truck. So that is what I'm replacing. I know some of you will ask what's the price for it. As you can see right here, that's the number. I bought it at a Peterbilt store, and the original price was $1,473, but I got it for $839.99. I could have passed that deal, so I just bought it. I went there to get something else and saw the seat, asked them, that was the price. And you're going to need a bracket, that's a part number, according to them when they sold me the seat. And the price for the bracket is $173 with a discount of $137. So it's $137 for the bracket. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove this seat belt from the seat. It uses a 14 mil, and also take out the seat. It uses 4 14 mil. Then I'm going to disconnect the ear line that goes to the seat. But this seat doesn't have any ear connected to it because it has been broken for a while, so the seat cannot go up or down or nothing like that. So yeah, all I have to do is just take the seat out. So let's get started. So it's 2 in the rear and 2 in the front. So got the seat belt off. It's this small 15 mil, look like it had some blue Loctite on it, and then the taller 15 mil for the seat bracket. So it's ready to come out. I didn't have to disconnect the airline because there's none connected to it. If you're doing this, you may have to disconnect your airline. Carrier plate. This is the carrier plate that came in the box with these. I'm not sure what these are for. And this is the hardware right here and the instruction. So I'm gonna mount this plate to the rear or the bottom of the seat, and yeah, keep going forward from there. Let me show you what I figure out. So in the hardware bag, you're gonna take these and these, and you find the square slots that are these, and you push it in through the adapter plate into the seat, and that's how you get the plate onto it. And then you torque these to 9, it said between 9 and 13 foot-pound. So yeah, so let me do that and get back with you. So I got the adapter plate on. It uses 13 millimeter, 4 of them, so 2 front, 2 back. So now I'm going to use the factory. I'm going to use the factory bolts and bolt it to the floor, and I'll get back to you in the next step. Yeah, we're making some progress. So what I've done so far is mount the plate to the seat, and that uses 13 mil right here. Then I mount the plate with the seat to the truck, that uses a 15 mil. I went ahead and connected the airline that leads to the chair itself. I use one of these quick connect because I got a bunch of them that I keep in the truck. So these guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do based on the instructions is connect these to the end of these. Then I'm going to connect the seat belt to right here. Then I'm going to take this one off to put on the inside so the seat belt can click into it. So let me do that real quick, get back right here. If you're doing this to your truck, this on the passenger side, to get it off this guy, it is torque 50, and yeah, it's a torque 50 to get it off. And based on reading the instruction and looking at the schematic some more, this is what you have to do. So they call these feathers. So you need to, on the driver side, you need to bolt it with the provided nut and washer. So you go and bolt the seat belt and the tether on this side, then you're going to bolt it down to the rear, and you're going to do it for both sides. So this and this goes on together, and after you get both tethers on, they want you to raise the seat as high as possible. Then you adjust the tether. I guess it's there for safety in case the airbag blows, you don't go to the roof and go to the moon. So that's what I get from it. So let me finish it and show you the final results. Here's the final update. I got it in according to the instructions, and let me walk you through what I did. So you're going to get the adapter plate, you're going to connect it to the seat. It uses a bunch of 13 that came with the adapter plate kit, 13 mil. Next thing, you want to get the 15 millimeter bolts in. You can just do the front and temporarily thread them. Then you're going to take this feather, that's what they call it, and you're going to thread the rear one through it and in. It still uses a 15. Then right here and right here, you're going to attach both the seat belt and this seat belt holder that you click the seat belt in, and use the provided bolt and washer. That's a 16. Next thing that I did, I adjusted the tether as far as I possibly could, and as I said, the nut that came in it was a 16 millimeter. With the airline for the seat, I just use a quick connect, and yeah, that's it guys. It's not that hard, very straightforward, just take your time. So the tools you're going to need is a 13 mil, 14 mil, 15 mil, 16 millimeter, a T20 Torx bit, ratchet handle, and that is it. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave something in the comments. Tell me if you swapped your OEM seat to the Legacy, because sitting on it, it feels real good. Plus that other seat, the frame was making my back hurt and I couldn't raise it up or down, so it was solid. So this is a complete update. So as I said, it's a good investment. You guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trekking. Peace. I'm out.